So exercise 11.2, question number 1. Which of the following represent the square of the sum of x and y decreased by the product of x and y? So what is square of x? Square of sum of x and y. Sum of x and y square is x plus y whole square, decreased, so minus, by the product of x and y. Product of x and y, x into y. So which option is suiting to this? X plus y whole square minus xy, which is option D. Shall I move to the next one? An internet service provider charges a one-time setup fee of $100 and $50 each month for service. Setup fee is $100 and $50 for each month. If C number of customers join at the same time and on the service for months, which of the following expressions represents the total amount in dollars the provider has charged these customers for all customers? They're asking us to pick one expression that represents the total amount in dollars for all these customers get charged. So what is that for all the customers who are taking the service from this guy? They are going to pay $100 for sure. $100 for all customers. So that's going to be 100C, because customers is represented by C here. So it is not definitely option C and option D, because 100C it must be. So it may be A or B. And then each month they are going to pay
option
50. Each month they are going to pay $50. $50 fine. Each month. So for how many? We are going to give the expression for number of months. We don't know how many months it is. It is for some $50 per each month. Like that, months are there. Fine. For all customers. All customers are going to pay $50 each month. It's not only for months. The customer is not going to pay only $100. $100. They are going to pay for how many months they took the service for. That is going to be months and C customers. So it's option B, not A, because here 50 is multiplied by C also, because customer is going to pay that also. If you are not including C in the option A, that means customer is not paying $50 for each month for service. Got it? That's why it's incorrect. One time setup fee is how much? $100. So whoever come, that customer has to pay $100, right? And what is monthly fee? $50 per each customer. This is done. Along with this, he has to pay per month, right? This is for how many months? This is for 1 month. To get for monthly, every month also must be included. You're watching. If you consider, how come this is true? I just clear directly. How come this is true? Here 100C is there. Yes, they are going to pay $100 setup fee. What is this 50? 50 is nothing but $50 per month. Who is going to pay $50 a month? You have to include C also, which means number of, here doing for number of customers, not one customer. That's why you have to multiply this with customer.
I got it now.
So here it is option B, because it is done for customers, not customer. Customers. How many customers are there? That many customers are going to pay $50 each month. A customer at a grocery store bought 4 times as many bags of rice as bags of pasta. Each bag of rice cost is $2.86. Each bag of pasta cost is $3.41. The customer spends a total of $103.95 on rice and pasta. How many bags of rice did the customer buy? So let's write the given information and form an equation to solve. So here a customer at a grocery store bought 4 times as many bags of rice as bags of pasta. So we don't know pasta. Let's consider pasta bags equals to X. Then rice bags, that equals to 4 times of pasta. Now each bag of rice cost, each rice bag equals $2. Pasta bag equals to $3.41. if customer spends a total of rice plus pasta equals $103.95. That's what they're saying. If customer spends a total of $103.95 on rice and pasta, that's why I just wrote rice plus pasta, which is total of his purchase amount. How many bags of rice did the customer buy? Rice bags.
Did the customer buy?
How many he bought? So we have to form an equation. And you can't equate 103.95 with this x plus 4x because these are not related terms. Bags you can't equate with the amount of money because we need solution how many rice bags it is. So it will be, I'm just going to take rice bags 2.86. 2.86. What is this total amount representing? Rice bags. How many rice bags? Rice bags are 4x rice bags. Each cost how much? $2.86. That plus pasta bags. Pasta bags are x. Each cost how much? $3.41. Now we are equating to its actual amount 103.95. That equals to 4 into 2.86. If you multiply 11.44x plus 3.41x, that equals to 103.95. So if you add up this 11 and 3, which is 14, and 14.85, x equals to 103.95. X equals to 103.95 by 14.85. So you can cross out the decimal point because after decimal point 2 digits are there. Here also same number of digits are there. So you can cross out this. So you end up with x equals to 10,395 by 14, 1,185. So if you do calculation part, you're going to get x value as 7. Use your calci. The Pirates won exactly 4 of their 15 games. 4 out of 15 they won. They then played n remaining games and won all of them. If they won exactly half of all the games they played, what is the value of n? So let's put into an equation first. Pirates won exactly 4 of their first 15 games. So 4 out of 15 initially they won. Initially won equals to 4 by 15. Then they played n remaining games and won all of them. After this, they played n remaining games. How can we convert this equation now? They played n remaining games. So 4 by 15, I'll write they played how many n and won how many n. What is this 4? 1. Or else I'll rewrite this 1 by played. Got it? So here, for example, let's say they played 2 more games and they won 2. That will be like this in numerical format. Initially played 15 and out of them 4 won. Let's say they played 2 more games and won 2 more. Then it will be the fraction will be like this 6 by 17. If they played 3 more games and they won 3 of them, then the equation will be 7 by 18. Hope you understood. In the same way, they played n number of games and they won all of them. That's why we added that n to the fraction what we have already. Now, if they won exactly half of all the games, so this is actually 4 plus n by 15 plus n. They have won of all the games they played. What is the value of n? So they won how many? Altogether they won equals to 1 by 2. This is their result. Even if you solve this, you get this only. That's what they given in the question. Now we have to find the value of n. 4 plus n into 2, 1 into 15 plus n. Just cross multiplied. 8 plus 2n, 15 plus n. So 2n minus n, 15 minus 8. Transposed n to LHS and 8 to RHS. Variables on left side and constants on right side. So n equals to 7. That's It will take 5 hours for a group of N volunteers to plant a total of 180 trees. Each tree takes 15 minutes to plant. Which equation represents this situation? So one among them we have to pick. It will take 5 hours. Watch it carefully. It will take 5 hours and things are given in minutes. 15 minutes. It is given 5 hours here. So it's better to convert this 5 into 60 minutes. It will take 5 into 60 minutes for a group of N volunteers to plant a total of 180 trees. So I'm going to write N volunteers 5 into N volunteers, that equals to 180 trees. Is that clear, mister? I just wrote 5 hours for a group of N volunteers to plant a total of 180 trees. Here 5 hours I'm converting into 5 into 60 minutes into N, that equals to 180, but each tree equals to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So 5 into 60 into N, that equals to 5 into 60 into N, that equals to 180 into 15, that is option C. Just a second. So they given this figure to us. For line segment AD shown, AD is 50. I just use this. So what they are saying here, this complete AD thing is 50 and BC is 10. This is AD and this is BC. Which equation shows the relationship between lengths AC, BD and AD? So you can see here some options are given. We have to pick one. What information we have here? We have that AB plus BC plus CD, that equals to 50. This is AD, right? This is AD. AD equals to what? This complete AD equals to AB, BC, CD. If you add up all together, you get AD. So let me write here AD instead of 50. So this is AD. So what information we know about AD? AD is 50. That's what we know. What we know about this BC? That is 10, right? Now what is AB? AB is here to here. So how can we get AB? AB is, just a second. You can see things are in X and Y and options also in the same way. So AB, I'll take it as here to here, which is X. X, if I remove this BC thing, AB is X minus 10, right? And then what is CD? CD is included with Y here. So here this is BD. So in that I'm going to CD. I need Y minus 10. If from this complete Y, if I remove this 10, I'm going to get CD, right? So that is equals to Y minus 10. So X minus 10 plus Y minus 10 equals 50. So plus 10 minus 10 cut, that's going to be X plus Y minus 10 equals 50. We have, don't forward this to RHS and then make it 60 because you see the options, all of them in the 50s.
Option C.
You're right. Shall I move to the next one? AB equals X.
What are you doing now?
Minus BC. CD equals Y minus BC. I just wrote this AB and CD things in the format of this. That equals to X minus 10. That equals to X minus 10. Accounting company currently has 3 times as many junior accountants as senior accountants. So here 3 times junior accountants. Do we know about senior accountants? No. Let's see, had they given after this sentence. The company plans to hire 140 more senior accountants so that the number of junior accountants is twice the number of senior accountants. How many junior accountants does the accounting company currently have? They did not mention how many exactly senior or junior have. They just tell it in some quantity kind of thing. Let's see. First of all, let's break this sentence. Senior accountants, we don't know. I'll just write SA, senior accountant. That equals to X. Currently has 3 times as many junior accountants as senior accountants. What does that mean? Junior accountants equals to 3 times of senior accountants. The company plans to hire 140 more senior accountants. So from this, more senior accountants. So then what happens to this? Then senior accountants equals to x plus 140. Already there are x number of accountants. They want to hire 140 more. That's why I just added x plus 140. So that the number of junior accountants is twice the number of senior accountants. So what happens to this? Junior accountants equals to 2 times senior accountants. So what does that mean? 2 times senior accountants. What is senior accountants here, Mr.?
That will be 6.
No, senior accountants is this.
Twice.
So I'm just going to place that value in the place of this. That's going to be 2 into this. 2x plus 280, and same time I'm going to keep junior accountant, which is 3x from here. So that's going to be 3x minus 2x equals to 280. We need to find how many junior accountants,
So we
how
have to
many
multiply
junior
that
accountants
by.
does accounting company currently have. So that is, you have to input this x value here so that you'll get junior accountants. That is going to be junior accountants equal to 3x. That equals to 3 into 280. That equals to 84 and 10. 840 junior accountants. Alice and Trinity pack boxes of specialized equipment for delivery. When they are each working alone, Alice can pack 10 boxes every 3 hours. Trinity can pack 15 boxes every X hours. Working together at their respective rates, Alice and Trinity can pack 115 boxes in 12 hours. Which of the following equation represents this situation? So easy. By watching the equations you can pick, but let's write Alice thing here and then Trinity here. When they are working alone, Alice packs 10 boxes every 3 hours. 10 boxes every 3 hours. What about Trinity? 15 boxes every X hours.
Same thing.
That's
50
boxes X hours.
hours.
Now working together. Alone. Work alone. Work together. That equals to Alice plus Trinity. That equals to 115 by 12 hours. Right? Do you agree with me?
Yep.
And now I'm going to keep, what is Alice? Alice equals to 10 boxes per 3 hours. Trinity 15 boxes per 3 hours. X hours. I'll just input that here. I'll make a equation now. So it's like 10 boxes, B for boxes, 3 hours plus 15 boxes by X hours. That equals to 115 boxes by 12 hours. So you can see that. So I'll just remove the boxes and numbers going according with the options. So that's going to be 10 by 3 plus 15 by X. That is equals to 115 by 12. You see the options, there is 115, 115 and there is no 12, and you can see 10 by 3 plus 15 by X. Where is that kind of option? This is not matching with the thing what we have, 3 by 10 and X by 15 and 3 by 10 again. This is not matching with the format what we have, the equation what we have, this 2a and b. But you can see this middle part, 10 by 3 plus 15 by X, it's matching with our thing. And here 1 is there, here 115 is there, and here 12 is there. So we can just forward this 12 to other side. That's going to form 12 into 10 by 3 plus 15 by X. That equals to 115. So it's option D, not option C, because it is 1 here. It's actually 115. Option D is the answer.